Hello guys, welcome to another random video. Today we will be unboxing this Skil Twist 2.0. I got this because it has a lot of good reviews and a lot of good feedback, and it is something that I will need around the house and just to replace a screwdriver. You know, you want to make things a lot easier in your life. So you guys want to pause the video and check this out, but I will be unboxing it and testing it out for you guys and seeing if this is something you guys would like, or maybe it's something that's garbage that I might not like and you guys might like. So let's try it out, and I will be comparing it to other stuff. So this package here I got in Sam's Club in California, Southern California. I don't know if the prices are the same for you guys or wherever it is that you guys are from. I'll unbox this for you guys and you guys could check this out. All right guys. Alright, so here's the case like I showed you guys right now. It's like a locking mechanism. It has a little latch. Oh, actually it's a push. I was about to break this. So let me remove this little piece it has. So if you have this in a case, in a bag or tool bag or something, and it's bouncing around, I don't believe it'll stay shut. It might pop open randomly from just vibration. Look at that. It bumps in, it's gonna open, things will spill out, and you know, who knows what'll happen. But I mean, it's a sturdy little case. It has a little hole latch right there. Alright, so I got the scale out for you guys, and I'll test each item here for you guys. I'm not sure if you guys could see that right there, but I will zoom in. I'll get closer to you guys. Give me 1 second. Alright, so we got our scale in here. Give you guys a little weight demonstration of all these things that it came with. I'll weigh it without the bit. Let's check out the weight again. Alright, see how it is. That one holds on pretty strong compared to the one that had the adapter. So 0, that itself right under a pound. So, and with the bit it comes in at 13 ounces. Chain bad. Okay, the carrying case with the USB charger, 1 pound 15 ounces. Alright, so I have everything in this case right here. USB charger and the screwdriver coming in at 1 pound 14 ounces, almost 2 pounds. So that isn't bad at all. 2 pounds for a whole kit that could be ready for you to build your PC, automotive, well, light automotive, interior work, home decor, home renovation, home construction. I'm pretty sure anybody could use this. You can use outlets, small jobs here and there. So we will test it out, see what it could do. Alright, I just wanted to do one more comparison. I just didn't think about it, but so we're just gonna compare the weight to if you were to be using this as a screwdriver to build something that you're gonna use on the regular, and a drill as you're gonna be holding it in your hand trying to build some furniture. So let's try this out. Like, I compared the screwdriver coming in with the bit at 13 ounces, 13.1 to be exact. And this is a lighter duty, it's a 12 volt drill, not the 18 volt or 20 volt. This is something I'm gonna compare it to, like where you're gonna be using something compact and drilling or building some type of furniture, where this comes in pretty heavy, especially using the bigger battery, and you're not be using the impact obviously. So that's 3 pounds 4.5 ounces, right? So you're coming in with this weight. All right, so you're gonna be holding this, just being it right here. Yeah, you got the power, right? But holding it in the air, like at an angle, you're gonna be getting a little tired by the end of the day if you're building some decent sized furniture. It's not gonna be spinning as fast, but you don't want to full torque on some light MDF wood, And this is cool, but you want to take it easy once in a while, and this sounds pretty good to me. All right, let's do some tests now. Drill bits. Will it fit a drill bit and drill? Pretty sure it'll hold in, right? But let's try drilling a hole at an angle. And now I'm going to try to button number 1. So it kind of like stops. Alright, so you won't over torque it. Button number 2, as you can see. You put force. Kind of wants to give out. So we go in third button. Alright, so it did drill a hole. Not bad. Well, I didn't go all the way in, but if you needed to tap in a screw with a bit and put in a little bolt, it would work out. Let's try something else, something more lighter. All right, so you want to check out your filter and get this out of here. A little bolt. It'll definitely work out for that, See, I didn't want to over tighten that thing, so it kind of works out. You could use it as a hand screwdriver. But yeah, it'll definitely unscrew. That'll work. How about some maintenance on the embroidery machine? Oh, it'll definitely torque it down good. Maybe a PC. That'll definitely work out. Building the motherboard, building everything else, it'll definitely work out. I think it would be perfect for PC building, which I'll try it out, building another PC, and it'll definitely work out the torque setting and everything. All right, so this is my final review for this, and I tried it around the house and other random screws, and I don't think it was necessary to show you guys what I unscrewed and screwed in. You guys kind of get the idea where it's got a good torque. It's got good torque. It's got power, decent power. I'm not talking about drill power. No 18 volt, no 20 volt. It's a 4 volt, right? So just imagine you're gonna be screwing down some furniture, tightening down your kids' toys, battery packs. So it's a keeper. I like the 4 volt, the USB type C, where you can use your phone charger or your laptop charger and it'll work right fine. So it charges within about an hour and a half from what I charged this one, or actually it was less than an hour. So leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we will be reviewing some other new stuff, something really random, anything else I really like to give people tips on. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you soon. Have a good one, guys.